Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix could not find Rune64.dll for GTA 5 Enhanced. So first of all, you just need to go to Windows Security, and on Windows Security should be Protection History. So what you need to do here, for me there is no such actions, but for you, if you're getting this error, should be something like this here. With protected memory access blocked, so you need to click them one by one until you find Rune64.dll, and once you click on it, on the bottom should be actions, and then you just need to press on actions, and after you press actions, you just need to press allow device, and then you can go here. Then you need to go to virus and threat protection, scroll down until you see manage settings here, then scroll down until you see exclusions. So click on it, press yes, and then we need to know in what folder your GTA 5 is. So guys, go on Steam, find GTA 5 Enhanced, and then go to Properties, Install Files, Browse, then press on the blank space here, copy the path, and then again you need to go to Windows Security, then you need to go to Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, Exclusions, add a remove exclusion, and then here you need to add a folder, and then copy the path, and then here select common, and on common should be, as you can see here, a GTA 5, and select that particular folder, and that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I helped you out, please press like.